leopard shark is cool.
That guy is cool.
Where's the leopard shark at? There he is. He's doing his pass.
So that's just, and so they'll just, you know, like,
I like that guy.
eating.
Oh, there's another eel down there.
Yeah. Oh, there's two of them right here.
An attention grabber here.
They are.
That thing is
That's cool.
ugly, ugly. Look at the beak on that thing. Look at that.
You see that?
It's got, it's like teeth sticking out.
There's an emergency
Ooh.
right there. It is a black knob. You need to pull hard.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. I like these three.
You're gonna hear it come down. So we're trying to eat home.